So next up, guys, he's fired her up, starts up easy there. We got a KOBELCO SK220 LC. It's a long reach excavator, guys. I'm gonna have him go ahead. He's gonna give you a nice demo, showing right around 5,200 hours there on the hour meter. It's been digging right here for the all summer, guys. Said it's been a pretty dang good running hoe. I will say, and we'll qualify this all in the description, tell you for sure, but the right track has a seal that's going bad. If you keep it full of grease, does pretty good. But if you kind of let that thing run out of grease on a guy, that track will start to loosen up. They've had a little bit of trouble with that. They said they may have the parts, might have that fixed before the new buyer takes possession. However, I'm going to qualify that with the main equipment guy here with the company. Again, another good piece coming from this company in Dubuque. They do a really good job with servicing everything, keeping everything up to date on oil changes, filter changes. They bring in a lot of equipment and sell a lot of nice stuff. Easy to go ahead and track it quick for you here. You won't track it a lot just because of that one right track, like I told you. But it'll take a little forward reverse here for you. She goes forward reverse. Showed you it digging. She's got power. It's a long reach hoe. Spin her around here. Go show you the other side. So there's the demo, guys, on the KOBELCO SK220 LC excavator. Kind of reach it out there for you. Got a nice digging bucket, little ditch cleaning type bucket. So there's the demo. Good luck, guys. It's auction time in Old 20 Auction.